Today I will show you one of our most popular open source projects, the HSE-Logger. Let's go to LabVIEW and see how we can use the HSE-Logger. Here I have created a simple singleton DQMH module, and now I'm opening the main VI and I'm going to place some loggers on useful places. Here is a initialization case, and now I can just go to the add-ons palette, the HSE subpalette. Here we have the HSE-Logger, and you can see some VIs, and here I want just an information log that the module started or initialized. So I drag this here to this wire, connect it to the arrow wires and create a message like init done. Okay, place it a little bit so where we can place more useful logging informations. It's always good to see if the configuration has loaded, so I can place the logger VI also with a quick drop. It's much faster than with to go with a palette. So configuration loaded, and what is always a very good idea is to place an error log in the error case of a DQMH module, so you get information about all your errors you get. And to test this, I just use the DQMH API tester. Now it works better. So I start the module, and now we see HSE-Logger with an exact timestamp init done, our first login message. If I configure something, I get a message. And the last one, and you can see we're getting error messages from our loggers. Usually we want our log information not only on the API tester, we want it in a file. And when looking into the root folder of this project, here we have a new file, demolog, and opening it shows us all the logging information we have on the API tester too. What else in the project is necessary to get these log messages into the API tester and a log file? Let's have a look at the block diagram of the API tester, and here at the very beginning we have a sub-VI init-logger where the logging system is initialized. It starts with creating two log handler objects. These are bundled to an array and wired to the init logging VI. From this point on, the logger is active and we can use the log VIs. The log handlers always have a level input. Here we can select which log level we want to log. The last VI returns the user event reference from the user event handler. When we are going back to the block diagram of the API tester, here we can see how the user event is handled inside the event structure, and the log entry is constructed from the different parts of the log record. Very briefly, that's all you have to know to start using the HSE-Logger in your own LabVIEW projects. You can download it and install it via the JKI VI package manager. Thank you.